Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to wire a ceiling fan, a complete wiring of a ceiling fan. First of all, we have our live wire and our neutral wire. Let's deal with the live first. First of all, you take the live wire to your switch where your regulator will be placed. Then you connect another cable from the switch to your fan. That cable is mostly called a fan wire or fan cable. So immediately you turn on the regulator, power flows through the fan wire and it allows the fans to work. Not forgetting our neutral. As for the neutral, it goes directly to the fan. So these are the simple mechanisms, electrical fans and lights used in our homes. Another key point is that the regulator controls the speed of the fan. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.